So I worked on the wiring, got a lot of it dressed up, got the covering over it. I used this style covering instead of the old plastic. I just like the look, try something new. I use the other stuff a lot. That bundle of wiring that you see right about there, that's going to go inside into the cab. I got the wires pretty well dressed in here. Everything's tucked underneath. Over on the side, wherever it's got close to the exhaust, I put a heat shield on it. You see down here, right in there, the heat shield. And everything seems to fit. It's tight, but it's getting there. One thing I wasn't sure is if I was going to have to cut this piece. That's why I got this blue line here. But I can get away with, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, all I gotta do is take that piece off. This piece right here. Take that off, straighten it out, because this piece here, this is a notch. I don't know why they got it there, but if I take that off, this will fit right. Won't have any problems, don't have to cut anything else. It'll be good. Looked at the radiator fit, that's why I put this in a panel on to get the measurements. And this guy's going to move forwards, so that will pull off of there and they'll have a little gap, but it'll fit. Over here you can see where I put the heat shield again. Yeah, heat shield right there. It's getting there slowly. This wire here is for if I use the E38 to sense how much fuel's left. This is the wire that goes to that. Not sure if I'm using it yet, but I did run it just in case. But trying to keep it clean, make it look nice. Getting there. It's dusty. One other thing I got to figure out is there's a breaker that I got to put. This got a hook too. Thinking of putting it right here. 40 amp reset. And that's what this will go to. Just got to decide on that. But that's the update. Have a great day. Bye.